out.
What are you talking about?
Why is the baby? Why is
What are you doing in there?
pooping?
A little poop?
Two poopses. Two poopses down.
Okay, well keep going.
Oh no! Huge poops, Dada.
I can smell it, Gwen.
Two poops.
I can smell it.
You can?
Yeah? Can you?
Yeah. My mommy smells it.
I smell it, yeah. What size poop is that?
2
2?
and 11.
Okay, you can keep going.
I got more. I got more, Dada. And my stomach.
Out of your stomach?
Yeah.
Okay.
Out my stomach.
Are you done yet?
I'm not.
Okay.
I still have to go poop.
Okay.
My stomach is still full.
Okay.
I have to get all my foods out.
What does it smell like in there?
Poop.
Really? Good smelling poop?
Yeah.
Or really stinky?
Stinky.
Do you want me to come in and help?
No.
Okay.
It's really stinky in here.
Okay.
Really stinky.
Okay. I'll let you go. You tell me when you're done.
Okay. Uh-oh. A huge poop is coming.
What size is it?
28.
Wow.
I really want to poop.
Okay.
I really want my poop out. And I want it.
Okay, well go ahead and go. We'll be quiet so you can go.
Mommy, be quiet. I don't want poo-poo. Really poo-poo. I don't want that light on.
Which light on?
That light.
Just go poo-poo, kiddo.
I don't want that light on. I really want it off.
What are you doing?
Pooping.
I
Look it.
don't want to look in there. Did you go ginormous poop?
Yes.
Do you feel better now?
No.
You have to go more?
2.
2? Okay, you could go.
Daddy, look at my poop.
I'm not going to look at that poop. It smells really bad. It's stinky. Get your hands out of there.
From I love it.
Okay.
And I get a huge poop.
Oh boy.